This is the slideshow pertaining to the persuasive outline in speech. Overall, this project is meeting standards 8711 through 8788, which can be found on the website listed here. But mostly it is to produce clear and coherent writing in which the development, organization, and style are appropriate to the task, the purpose of persuasive speaking, and an audience. So what would you say is the goal of the persuasive outline and persuasive speech? Think for a few minutes. The goal is to engage and orient the reader by establishing, or the listener, by establishing a context and point of view and organizing events that unfold naturally, to use transitions, phrases, and clauses to convey that sequence and to signal shifts from a time frame and show the relationship among experiences and events to show why this object that you've chosen is important. 3, to establish and maintain a formal style. Remember that voice that you want to maintain. To learn how to introduce a topic clearly, to preview what's to follow, to organize your ideas and information into broader categories, to format things in an outline format, to eventually use graphics and multimedia to aid comprehension, and to develop the topic with relevant, well-chosen facts and details, quotations, and other information and examples. So your multimedia presentation isn't going to be one that's just all fun and games. It needs to be entertaining, but mostly it's to aid the comprehension of your topic. So how do you think when you're all done that you and others will assess your success? What do you need to do? Well, the assessment is going to be based upon these things. Coherent language, language that is understandable and makes sense because you've placed it in the right order. Relevant research, research that's real and within the last 5 years. Persuasive tone, using a sequence of events, which includes using transitions so that the audience and the listener know where you're at. Doing work in a timely manner, handing things in on time, and doing your best work. So this is the order of events that you will work in. You'll declare a topic, which you'll clear with myself or Mrs. Gobler. You'll whittle through research and choose at least 4 good sources. You'll write your ideas in a Google Doc or on paper, so you can move them around and draw arrows or just shift them around as makes the best sense. You'll create an outline then. And don't create the outline until you have your information down so you can save time later and clear up any understanding or misunderstanding. You'll create a works cited page again, and this should be partially done if you use the same topic, but if not, you know how to do it, and we are here to help. You'll hand in a rough draft. After getting it back, you'll make changes if needed, and it is suggested that you heed the advice from Mrs. Gobler and myself, which I'm sure you will do. Put together a multimedia presentation with limited images and words. Create note cards for yourself to use when doing the speech, and practice. So here is the time frame. You'll do your research, make way for MCA tests. You'll do your works cited and finish your outline and then create your presentation, and then we'll present in class. Good luck.